Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to maintain the balance of yin and yang. Yang gives energy, movement and warmth. Yin gives solidity, nourishment, moisture, coolness and rest. The harmonious balance of yin and yang gives health and contentment. Yin-yang imbalance is at the root of much illness, whether physical or psychological. Excessive yang or deficient yin means excessive activity, movement, heat and dryness with lack of rest due to insufficient nourishment and grounding of the hurt spirit. Excessive yin or deficient yang means lack of physical, emotional and mental movement with excessive cold and damp. Now let's discuss about deficiency of yin in modern society. Modern life centers around ceaseless stressful activity to a great extent. Four things have been lost: rest, sleep, intuition and inner strength. The loss of these four things relates to the loss of the deep feelings of peace, calmness and tranquility that comes from contact with the inner self. The experience of the inner self is the experience of the balance between yin and yang. There is a sense of inner peace. Yin at the same time as an experience of energy and strength known as yang. Now let's discuss what is true rest. True rest is rare in the modern world. Much of what people call rest is associated with mental overstimulation, whether drugs, television, video games or whatever. The result of this is that yin is not properly replenished, so that people become increasingly tired and restless. They may alternate between the use of stimulants such as coffee or amphetamines to give them energy or excitement, and the use of tranquilizers and narcotics to give a temporary artificial calm. Now let's talk about sleep. In modern life, the world of daytime mental activity and stress has encroached into the world of sleep, so that sleep is often of poor quality and the person does not awake refreshed in the morning. Indeed, the prevalence of insomnia and widespread use of hypnotic drugs indicate the extent of this problem. Sleep is not merely a cessation of physical activity. It is a state of being which is necessary for the daily regeneration of mind and body. Lack of sleep means deficient yin, which in turn can cause insomnia in the night and restlessness in the day. In the next video, we will discuss about intuition, inner strength and the treatment of deficient yin. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And check out my course on how to make effective point combination in acupuncture treatment. And don't forget to read my books. Links are given in the description. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.